Welcome to Creations by Karen. And I've been kind of on a hiatus, but I'm back. And we're going to start off gradually and make a quick tutorial today because, you know, the hockey game's on. So we're going to make one of these. And these are really good sellers at my craft shows. And these are just emery boards. You see that? And I'm making this because I'm doing an Easter craft show. And if you live in the London or surrounding area, you got to come to that. It's Good Friday, and I think it's from 10 to 4, and the Thursday prior from 4 till 9. So if you want a good craft show to come to, it's crazy busy. Here's another one I made. So let's make it, shall we? Okay. I'm going to need to pay some cardstock, and this is the one I've chosen for today. And I got this at Michael's, I think. So this is 12 by 12, so we're just going to cut it in 4, all right? So I'm going to cut it at 6 inches. And this is just a cut it at 6 inches, and then cut it at 6 inches. And I try to use non-directional paper, meaning it's only going one way. If I don't go one way, I get confused. 6 inches again. So now you got 4 out of one piece of paper, which is great. And that's all the cutting we're going to do. Got that part. Now you're going to need some tools. I got my scoreboard. Now, I live in Canada. I can't get the blades that go for this, so I have to use 2 different things, which is fine, but annoying at times. Thank you very much. I'm glad to be back. Take one of these. I'm just going to show you one for now. And I'm going to do some scoring. Okay, so you line it up. And I'm going to score it at 1.5 inches, 3 inches, and 4.5 inches. That's all. We don't need that anymore. Okay. Now you see the back of this? I'm going to cut some of this off. So, well, I guess I do need that cutter. I'm just going to mark, and I do this because I just do. Take my cutter back. So I'm going to go to the center crease I've made, and I'm going to line it up on my cutter, and I'm just going to cut this off. See? So now it looks like this. Got that part? I want to see a thumbs up if you got that part. Show me thumbs up. That'd be great. Okay. Gonna need a scoring tool, I guess. But I'm just gonna give this a score on the lines that I've made. Now, I've made different ones in the past, and I saw this on YouTube. For the life of me, I can't remember, and I've made it kind of my own, but I thought this would look okay. So you need some double-sided tape. Let's see here. I don't know where the cat is. Lexi's missed you too. And I'm going to put double-sided tape on this piece. Okay, this end. And then I'm going to put a piece on here. So this is the middle part to the end. Okay, so I put a piece of tape, double-sided tape, on this part, and then from the middle to this part. You got that part? Take a picker, and I'm just going to take this long piece of score tape, peel the top off, and place it down like that. Take your scoring tool and just rub it. Then I'm going to take this one, take this off, and what I like to do, and this is just me, you can do it however you want it. Turn this over, and I like to score it as I'm going, just on the back, and then turn it and score it on this side. So now you have this with a pocket in the front. Cool, eh? So if you're not exact, you can cut a piece off here. It's not going to matter. But I like it. And then I got these on Amazon. They're nail files. They're good ones because I like good nail files. And that kind of fits in here. Just like that. Pretty cute. So I also have, because it's an Easter craft show, I got some Easter decoration things. They're sticky. And I'm going to put one of these on. I think we're going to go with the bunny. I like the bunny one. Cute, eh? There's a bunny. Just going to take this. I'm just going to stick it in the middle. And you don't want to put a lot of money into this because you're not going to be selling it for very much. And I think this sheet was maybe $2, and it had all of them on here. As you can see, I've been making them. Now, let's see. We got some packaging. Okay. I think I got these at Michael's too. I don't remember. But it doesn't have a sticky part on the front, on the top of it. I don't care. I'm just going to take this, and I'm just going to stick it. And I like to put the top in first. That's just my choice. You can put the top or the bottom in. Stick that. Try to get it to center if you can. And then you just take this. Got some tape. And this would be great for just sitting at the table when people come for Easter. You could use these for anything, really. I do them at Christmas, so I might as well do them at Easter. They're always a big seller at craft shows. Just open this up. Okay. Try to be as exact as you can. There you go. I like to have things in a package. I don't know. It's just me. And that's done. All ready to go. Now, what would you charge for this? Let's see. Thanks, guys. What would you charge for this? I'm thinking $2 maybe, $2.50. I didn't use, like, there's not much into it. The only real thing I have into it is a nail file. It's the most expensive. I think that, like, they didn't come to $1. It didn't come to $1 making this whole thing. Probably closer to 75 cents, maybe 65 cents. So I kind of like to double it. Whatever I make, what it costs me to make, I double it. Does that make sense? So maybe $2, $2.50 maybe. What would you pay for a nail file? Cute idea. Thanks. I have moments. And then not so much. I'm going to go with $2. Let's go with $2 on this. 3 for 5. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. All right, you guys, that's it. Sunday's not going to be every time I can do a live going forward. I'm going to randomly pick days. I'm going to try to do as many Sundays as I can. Like next Sunday, I'm away. So I can't do it. But I might do another one during the week and let you know when it's going to be ahead of time. Anyways, until next time, you guys have a great day. I'm so glad to be back with you. Love you all. Bye now.